All right, we've got a log, and here it is. We're going to draw it. We're going to cut the log into 6 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That will give us 6 equal pieces. If we're cutting something over and over again, that is dividing. We want to make sure we know our whole and our part. The log is the whole thing, the 14 and 622 thousandths, and each piece, each cut is the part. So we are going to divide 14 and 622 thousandths divided by 6 because we have 6 pieces. So all fractions mean divide. Write your denominator outside. 6 is outside, and inside is our 14 and 622 thousandths. I'm going to put the decimal right up in my answer right there because I don't need to make my divisor a whole number. It already is. So let's divide 6. Divided into 14 goes twice, or I get 2 groups of 6, and I subtract, I'll get 2, and I'll bring down that 6. How many groups of 6 can I get out of 26? I can get 4 groups. 4 times 6 is 24, and I subtract, and I get a 2. Bring down that next 2 down here. And if I've got 22 things and I want to make 6 groups of them, I can only do that 3 times. And 3 times 6 is 18. And I can subtract and get 4, and I bring down that 2. If I have 42 things, I know I can make 7 groups of 6. Put the 7 up here. 7 times 6 is 42, and I have no remainder. So let's look at our best answer, which would be C, 5 and 437 thousandths feet.